for breakfast every morning. I know I shouldn't. I know it's terrible. But it's the same when it comes to girls too. Deep down, I want 5, no, 10 girlfriends. I want to have tons of sex. That's why I want to be Chainsaw Man. So much that you can't do anything? I do. You're such a fool. That when devils die in this world, they're reborn in hell. I won't be me anymore though. So if we meet again, we'll probably be as enemies. Denji, go find the Blood Devil. And find them, make friends with them somehow. Turn them, the Blood Devil, back into power again. Then I can be your buddy again, can I? Denji, this is our contract. I'll give you my blood in exchange. Come and find me. Find a precious family, when you got to attend the school you wanted to attend, and when you connected with Asa. Some part of you is still unhappy, right? Unfortunately, you must have noticed too. You are happy, you're starving and suffering, fighting devils, and eating spoiled bread in that run-down shack. Turns out you had the crappiest but best kind of brain, one that can only find heaven when you're in hell. Keep on dreaming, Denji.